Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How do you do, children? Hope you are all fine and safe at your home. Well, children, that's good. Now, come to the worksheet, children. This is level 2. This is level 2 and class 5th, subject English, worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. So children, now look at the worksheet. Here you can see a picture is given here. Children, look at this picture and observe it. Okay? Observe, children. I hope you observe well. So children, tell me what things do you see in the picture? Observe the picture, children. There are so many things like tap, T-A-P, tap, iron box, I-R-O-N, iron, B-O-X, box, iron box, mirror. A girl is holding a mirror, so right, mirror is here. Mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. And broom. There are some clothes hanging on a rope. So right, children, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Very good. So many things are there. Observe the picture, children. Observe and tell me fast. Yes, you are right. Table. Right. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Very good, children. Very good. Well done, children. Now tell me, children, what is the place you see in this picture? Observe the picture. What is the place it? Is this a school, hospital, or a house? Yes, this is a house. Very good, children. Children, look at the picture. There are so many people. There are many people in the picture. There are many people. Right. So children, now you count it. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children. So children, now tell me, where are clothes hanging? See this. See here. The clothes hanging here. So children, where are clothes hanging? On a rope. On a rope. Very good. Now tell me, children, what is the boy doing? Here, children, look at this circle, red circle. What is the boy doing? He is folding clothes. He is folding cloth. Very good, children. Now, tell me, children, who is she? Right. You are right. She is grandmother. And what is she doing? Tell me, children, what is in her hand? A broom is in her hand. And what is she doing, children? She is sweeping. She is sweeping floor. Am I right, children? She is sweeping with a broom. Very good, children. Now see, an animal is there, a bird is there. Where? Look here. A hen is there. Hen is eating. Hen is eating grains. Very good, children. Now look here. Now look here, children. What is father doing? Tell me, children. What is he doing? Father is resting on a chair. Yes, you are right. See the picture, children. There are two little girls in the picture. So tell me, children, what is the girl doing? Standing near water tap. Here, children. Look here. Look at this part. Tell me, what is she doing? Tap is open. Very good. And a bucket is there. Tell me, what is she doing? She is filling bucket with water. She is filling bucket with water. Very good. Water. Okay. We should close the tap after filling the water. One more girl is there. Tell me, what is she doing? Where is she looking? What is in her hand? A mirror is in her hand and she is looking into a mirror. She is looking into a mirror and her mother is making her hair. Very good, children. Now see, children. There is a big tree. Now tell me, children, what is grandfather doing? What is in his hand? Yes, you are right. Iron box. And what is he doing? Grandfather is ironing the clothes. Grandfather is ironing the clothes. Very good, children. Listen, children, in this way we should also work together, live together, and we should help each other. Very good, children. I hope you comprehend this picture. I hope you learn what are the activities done by the people in this picture. Now come down, children. Here is an activity for you. Here is an exercise for you. Do you want to do it? Come on. Very good. Children, what is given in first exercise? Fill in the blanks. As we are doing in our videos, in our previous classes. Okay? Read the, children. What is given in the box? There are so many words given. So read it, children. Read the words. Read the words with me. Clothes, hen, many, big, sweeping, mirror, chair, water, for, rope, close, old man, house, help, work. There are 15 words given in the box. And children, there are 15 sentences also given. So what you should do? You should read the sentence and choose a word and fill it, okay, in the given blanks. Okay, see the first sentence, children. What is? Read it. The first sentence. Come on. The place in the picture is of a dash. The place in the picture is of a. So children, look at the picture and observe what is the place you see here. You are right, a house. So write, children, in the given blank, house, House. Look, house is given in the box. So choose it and write here in the given blank. Okay, house. Okay, now come to second sentence. Okay, read the second sentence, children. There are dash people. Right, as you see the picture, there are many people. So choose this word given in the box, many, and write here. Okay, write in the given space, many, M-A-N-Y, many. Very good. Okay, now read third sentence, children. Third sentence. Come on, read it. There are dash children. So children, go to the picture and observe it. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children are there. So take it. Take the word. Where is 4? Yes, here. F-O-U-R. And write here. Okay? Write in the given blanks. F-O-U-R. There are 4 children. Okay, very good, children. And in this way, children, you should fill all these blanks with suitable words. Okay, children? Very good. Now come to the second exercise. Match the following. Right. So children, left side there are 5 words given. Read it, children. Number 1, grandmother. Number 2, grandfather. Number 3, father. On 4, mother. 5th, brother. Okay. And right side, their actions are given. Like, children, read it. Resting on a chair. B, making hay. C, sweeping floor. D, folding cloth. E, ironing clothes. Very good, children. So children, now you see the picture and observe it, and you should read carefully all these given words and match it. Okay? Now I will do first word. I will match it. See, children, what is given? Grandmother. Okay? Now go to the picture. Where is grandmother and what is she doing? Yes. Here is grandmother. What is she doing? She is sweeping. So match it with sweeping. Sweeping floor. Okay? Grandmother sweeping floor. Very good. In this way you match, okay, all this word with all these actions. Okay, children, I hope you will do very quickly and easily. Now come to the third bit. Here some bubbles are given, right? How many bubbles are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bubbles are there. And fill the bubbles with the activities done by the people in the picture. Children, as you observe the picture, there are many activities done by the people. So you observe the picture and write the actions in the given bubbles. Okay, I will fill one bubble. Okay, here is an activity. Look at the picture. Here is an activity done by this little girl. Okay, children, tell me, what is she doing? What is activity done by this girl? Filling water. Okay, write in the given bubble. Filling, Filling. Filling. Okay, very good, children. I hope you will complete all this work and you will complete all this work very quickly and easily. And hope you enjoyed today's lesson and understood. Children, when you complete this work in your notebook, take a picture and send it me through WhatsApp group. Okay, children, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.